Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be pregnant in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this area and then you can use this shirt. Okay, and then we can change it to toggle 2. And then you can choose the color that you like. For example, I'm going to use this color. And let's move to the next item. Okay, you can use pumpkin. Grab the pumpkin and then color it the same as your shirt. Okay, for the first part and the second part, we can color it the same. And then we're going to move to the last item. You can go to the dressing room and then you can use a doll. Okay, you can go to the purchased item and then you can use this doll and we can toggle it 3. Okay, and it will create something like this, and then you can combine it with the other outfits. Okay guys, and that's all the way to be pregnant in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you.